One last question. If you were to write a letter to your child who's at the cusp now of adulthood, what would you tell him about adulthood and about living life through your lens of a brain doctor?
So I think the first thing a child should be able to think and acknowledge is that life is not a walk in the park. Okay. So you are going to have challenges and obstacles placed in front of you. And I don't think parents should bring their children up to feel that life is going to be a walk in the park and you're always going to be protected in the way that we are doing it here for you. I think this is important. The second thing that I would like all youngsters to do, including my own child, is follow their dreams. So I don't think anyone should stop their children from following their dreams. And however obscure the dream is, it needs to be given wings. I think the role of a parent is a facilitator. You can, of course, facilitate the thought process. You have a responsibility to make your child think and think with your child. But it's very, very important in the context of our own aspirations that we don't end up, becoming a party pooper for the child and her or his dreams. That's very, very important too. And the third, the people who succeed are not the most intelligent. The people who succeed are the most resilient and the most adaptable. And I think adaptability to all that life throws at you is one of the most important traits that you can encourage a young person to develop. Resilience, of course, but also adaptability. So, like Paulo Coelho says, be like water, flow around stones. And I think that this is something that we need to help our children understand, that life is a lot about emotional intelligence and life is a lot about resilience and adaptability.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for
Such
your
a
time.
pleasure. Thank you.